Greetings, tax tip lovers, and welcome to this week's top property tax tactics in less than 5 minutes. Come, gather around, people, and let me share with you how you may be able to generate £100,000 every year from your property portfolio and legally and legitimately not pay a penny of income tax on any of it. Here's the tale of Edwin, who never really recovered from the demise of his father, who died suddenly along with the hows and whys of his soil contamination business when Edwin was just a young boy. For a few years, life gave Edwin lemons, a real problem for a dyslexic, but with a little help from his family, he turned life around completely, and he's challenged me to relate his story in rhyme. So here goes. This week's story is about a man named Ted, a poor Brexiteer, barely kept his family fed, borrowed from his nan and went back to school, learned about real estate, feeling kind of cool. So listen up, Nan, I need more cash. Your grandkids are hungry and you've got a stash. Tash is equally correct. I want to buy houses, just me and the bank. I've heard about leverage and it sounds kind of swank. Now, Nan loved Ted, so she gave him all she had. Ted got a mortgage on a tumble-down pad, refurbed in 9 weeks, straight out to rent, revaluation based on the money spent. Ted's off to auction for property number 2, 3-bed semi close to Waterloo. Rinse, repeat till your house is number 9. That was Ted's philosophy, and now it's that time. Ted has rules, but they are few. Maximum 75% LTV and annual rent review. Never sell your properties once they're bought. Keep one for your girlfriend. Don't get caught. Well, Ted's 9 houses are worth £2 million. Every year revalues them. Simple as it sounds. Ted then leverages his borrowing and his rents. 5% withdrawals paid by his residents. Now, Ted's annual income is 100k. How Ted smiles, because there's no tax to pay. Ted's real grateful to his dead nan, while locked down in Bolton, working on his tan. So here's the thing. Property owners who know how can take, say, £100,000 from their portfolios every year, and maybe more. And if done properly, there's no income tax to pay. Now, I'm a big fan of tell them what you're going to tell them, then tell them what you told them. So let me say that again. Property owners who know how can take, say, £100,000 from their portfolios every year and maybe more, and there is legally and legitimately no income tax to pay. This is simple stuff for those in the know, but if it's new to you, then maybe it's time to stop channeling your accountant into your business, because let's be honest, how far can that go? Maybe it's time to hit reset because, as Ted says, you don't have to own a sheep to know what not to put in it. We work with growing and ambitious businesses, providing you with tax strategy and planning advice to accelerate growth, maximize potential, and retain your legacy for your family. We're hands-on for those that want that, and at the end of the phone for those who don't. Your options are you can do nothing and stay in the exact same place and pay a shed load of tax unnecessarily, or you can follow the link above for a free power hour review with property tax experts who are ex-PwC and ex-HMRC, and will make your property tax planning like it was our own. Okay, that's it. Stay bright. Catch you again for breakfast next week. Ta-ra.